Hi, everyone. In this video, we are going to look at how to calculate the weighted mean of a given data set. The mean of a data set is the same as the average of that data set. We all know the average of data set, right? Basically, we just add those numbers together and then divide by how many numbers we have in that data set. And the weighted mean is there's no fundamental difference between weighted mean and the mean of a data set. It's just different way to do the calculation. The result is the same. Both will give you the average of the data set. Now let's look at how we calculate the weighted mean, how we use this weighted mean method to calculate the average of a data set. Say, we have this frequency distribution table, and this is like ratings on an item. So this is a 5-star. Basically, this is like values, value column and frequency column. 5-star ratings and 4-star ratings. In other words, 9 customers give it a 5-star rating. 5 customers give it a 4-star rating, and so on. So we want to calculate the average rating. So this is the weighted mean, weighted average, because these frequencies serve as the weight. The higher the frequency, the more important that rating is. That's why we call this frequencies weights. Okay. Now let's just focus on how to do the calculation. And the general formula is that you want to have a total values, total number of stars, and divided by total number of customers. So you get the average stars each customer per customer give that item rating, right? So multiply the ratings or values with corresponding frequencies. So let's do that. Equals, and be sure you click these numbers, not to type them, because we want the Excel to automate all of the calculations. We just need to calculate this once. So click this and multiply the frequency equals. Now click on this first result, which contains the formula right here. And then move your mouse cursor to this lower right corner so that your mouse cursor change the shape. See, change the shape. Once it changes shape, press down mouse button and drag it to cover all of these rows. So you get all of these products, value times corresponding frequency. Now we add them together, that's total number of stars. And actually it makes sense. The 9 customers each gives, say, 5 stars, that's 45 stars in total, right? When you add this, all of the numbers together, you get total stars from all of these customers. So we need to add them together. We also need to add all of this number of customers together to get total number of customers, right? Total frequency. So that's why we use this sum function. And just select this data, close the parentheses, enter. So we have 21 customers. Total number of frequencies 21. And we do the same thing for the last column. So we get 77 stars. So 21 customers gave a total of 77 stars. So how many stars per customer? That's average, right? That's why we use a total value from all of these customers divided by the number of customers. So in general, we call it total value divided by the total frequency. That's how we calculate the weighted mean, weighted average. So I put it in this cell, equals total value divided by total frequency. You got 3.67, depending on how many decimal digits you want. There's many decimal digits here. And yeah, this is generally the precise how you calculate the weighted mean from a frequency distribution table. See you guys in the next one.